Hello everybody, I'm going to be singing today the song Ordinary by Alex Warren. So I hope you enjoy. Hold on one second. Okay, one sec. Okay, just going to go here.
Don't look it.
I don't know if you guys can hear this. This is just for me.
What do you mean?
So I can follow along. Oh, it didn't work. Darn it. Okay, let's go like this. Ordinary Alex Warren. Okay, here we go. I don't know if you guys can hear this. He said the boy was down. Too close to say. Years of days, eventually somewhere my time's running out. Day after day, make up my name, eventually. Oh, my, oh, my, would you lay me down to a bed, on the ending night, strange I'm going down, you ready to go and cry. A sanctuary, change everything. We want to be better. Take my breath away. It's not good. Oh, come on, take me in. The dirty bag, oh, the the angels up in the clouds, a day is not fair. One day, I'm kissing the ground, a sanctuary, tell me where it's high, oh Lord, take me to dust. The angels up in the clouds, a day is not fair. Come to me, higher than gravity, never next to oh mama, rose in black and white, but that's all your life. I feel had to die to find something good. Ordinary, would you leave me tonight? Stage of the cloud, I just need one day. I was little bad, Thanks for watching. Bye.